Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I'm going to be showing you how I use my fresh cream to decorate cakes. As long as you have your whipped cream ready, everything else will be made easy. Check out my tutorial on how to whip your cream perfectly. Place your cake board on your turntable or worktop, then you add a little blob of cream to the board. Add your first layer of cake and then add a moderate amount of fresh cream to the cake and spread evenly using a light pressure. This will help with the overall structure of the cake. This next step is actually such a time saver. It's one of my biggest hacks in the cake decorating world. Rather than piping it down on the edge, I like to use an in and out motion using my palette knife just enough to create a well in the center. Pour your filling in the well and spread evenly. Then add another little bit of cream in the center of the filling to help the next layer stick. This secures the filling and cake really well. This was a mint and chocolate cake with a Nutella center that I made for an occasion just to say congratulations. Keep repeating the same steps until your last layer has been added to the top. At this point, you can place the cake in the fridge for 15 minutes to set. Now it's time for the crumb coat. Take a good amount of fresh cream and start spreading the cream in order to cover every part of the cake. This ensures that no crumbs will fall and the cream acts as a base for the next step. Place the cake in the fridge for 15 minutes to make sure that all the crumbs have set, and so when you add the next layer, no crumbs will fall and it will be a nice clean finish. It's time to cover the cake with a final layer. Spread your fresh cream all over the cake using your palette knife. First scrape and make sure the top of the cake is level and flat. Once you're happy with the coverage, use your cake scraper to scrape the excess and remove any air bubbles all around. Run your scraper under hot water, dry it with a tissue and scrape the cake one last time. This is a huge hack that I use with all of my cakes, even buttercream cakes, because it just gives the most beautiful finish. Don't forget to clean your cake board using a damp tissue. You can enjoy this cake as it is or decorate it as you'd like. You could even use fruits or chocolates. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a wavy effect using one simple tool. So don't forget to subscribe.